Hello friends, in our last few videos we have drawn a few patterns which used hard turn. We use forward command and hard turn command. In next few videos we are going to make patterns which use soft turn. Now how do we get a soft turn? For getting a soft turn is very easy. We use the vehicle forward command and we change the speed of one motor. So there should be a speed difference. If there is a speed difference, the vehicle will start turning. Now which side it turns? It turns on the side where the speed is less. So if let's say right speed is 0, then it is going to turn on the right hand side. When we have one full speed and one zero speed, the vehicle is going to turn on the spot. So it will turn at the right wheel where the speed is 0, and the right wheel will act as the center of the turn. So it is going to make a circle around the right wheel. Only left wheel is rotating. Why? Because left wheel is trying to go ahead, go forward, but right wheel is stopping it from going forward. But left wheel has energy, so it has to move, and hence it starts moving in a circular fashion. And that gives us a circle with center at the right wheel. Now if I give different speed, let's say I give 180. So this is not a zero speed, this is some speed, but less than the left speed. In this case also, the vehicle is going to move right, but while going forward. So it is going to make a big circle, not the circle on the spot, but will make a circle while moving forward. Bigger the difference between the speeds, smaller the circle. Smaller the difference, bigger the circle. So to make a circle, we'll use curious mind and set up vehicle. Then we will use this command. So this will start moving the vehicle in a circular fashion. It will start taking turn. But to complete the circle, we need to stop the vehicle. And in between, there is some finite time. And for that, we need to use wait. Now, with my motors and with my battery, it takes 8 seconds to complete a circle. For you, you need to see how much time is required. So you can try with 8 seconds first and then see if the circle is complete. Very good. If circle is not complete, it is stopping before completing the circle, then increase the wait time. If it is taking more than one full turn, in that case, reduce the wait time. So earlier we have learned how to take a hard turn. Now we have learned how to take a soft turn. In our next videos, we are going to make a few programs to practice the soft turn and make few more patterns.